should network with a cold list and turn them into hot leads and close them down. Okay, look at this here. For me personally, I use a system. I use a platform like Airtable and converted my Google Sheet into this CRM style tool. But my team is still using the same Google Sheet, and you can also use a Google Sheet. You can also set up a Google Sheet for yourself. Okay, it's actually very easy to manage, and if you do it through Claude, it will be fully functional. Okay, you can also manage everything through Claude. But the only one thing I didn't automate. The direct commenting, engaging, and sending DMs and prospecting. These parts I believe actually it's totally psychological. It's human to human connection. So for that reason, this part is not automated, but all the other things like tracking them, uh, writing email draft, auditing, and everything, you could easily automate through Claude and Google Sheet. Okay, and if you wanted to maintain a more clean version, then you can also use a platform like Airtable. Okay, here's how you should network with your ideal prospects and convert them. Okay, here's the daily report in this tab. If you see in my copyright screen, first of all, what we do, okay, in master data, we collect our ideal prospect. The people can be our potential clients. Okay, so we see if they are in our niche, and if they are active on their profile, then we collect their profile list. It could be Facebook, it could be Instagram, and it could be also LinkedIn. Okay, we do it on all three platforms. You can also add X, Twitter, I mean. So first of all, we collect their profile list, a list here, and every single day we interact with them. When we already interact with someone for 2 to 3 times on the open platform, I mean on their post, if they reply you, if they started the open conversation, then we think it's a warm prospect. Okay, and every month we do it with 50 to 70 prospect for party member. Okay, and look at this here. And we also track how they comment, what they comment, and everything from here. Okay, so the post link, they add the profile link, and they also add the comment link. Okay, so we can easily monitor how they're working, how many comments they placed per day, and how it's going, the overall campaign. Okay, and within a few interactions, when we think it's warm, then we start sending DM based on the context. Where if we don't have context, then we don't send DM. Okay, and look at this here. If I show you something from here, we track everything like this: how many DM we sent, how many emails we sent, what's the status of the relationship with them. Okay, if they are still cold or warm or engaged, or they're trying to lead. Okay, and from a batch of 50 to 70 prospect, I expect maximum 2 to 3 people should be highly interested in my service. Okay, so that's the task for my team. Then I will do the final job to close them down. Okay, what I do here, look at this here. I just sent two Loom video yesterday to 2 of my prospects. One still didn't open, and one is already asking me how much I would charge to build them a website. Look at this here. If I show you the screenshot I just took yesterday. So what would you charge me to build an AI web page for? Okay, after I send this Loom to him, let me show you here. In this video, I will add that version of Loom video. Hey, okay, so here's your website. And look at this here. I'm actually suggesting this like this. Look at this here. It's a specific service page I just created for you. Look at this here. It's only based on commercial roofing and your location, then the details. And also here's the H2, the same topic and the same keyword, just modifying with some words and different sentence. So this way we are focusing on one specific topic with multiple H titles. This way you giving a strong signal to algorithm. Okay, and with lots of this content, and also definitely frequently asked questions. And look at this here. So one dedicated page for one service page, for one service. Okay, so and also for your location, the locations you are targeting, we will do the same. And look at this here. Here's the home page. We will build you a homepage something like this, or maybe a different design, but I'm just giving you an example. Okay, so it's more clean and more information. And here's the navigation menu structure. This is the current version, and this is what I am proposing you. Okay, so more clean and very strongly structured. So this, I'm going to send you all this, and I really appreciate your feedback. So let me know. And currently look at this here. If I open, I already checked all of your website, okay? And in my previous video I already told you that you focusing your both of your services, commercial and residential, in one page, but I highly recommend you to create dedicated pages, okay? And the content is also thin. It's a short content, and the head titles is not focusing any keywords, and also there's no content, just one section with three small paragraphs, so there's no detailed content, okay? And yeah, that's why I'm suggesting that. So let me know if you have any questions. And we have a fully managed SEO package. I will send you the details. There we will manage your website, your social media, and your Google business profile, and help you rank your the best keywords on your Google map, and also on AI overview, so you will get organic leads and phone calls without even spending on paid ads, okay? And we also run ads for our clients, so we have the full solution for lead generation. So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. Bye. So it's basically, I just opened their website and shared my feedback about their homepage, okay? And also I shared my feedback about one of their service page, and then I created a navigation menu structure through Claude better than his current version, okay? Like this one here, if you see. It was their current version. I didn't like it. And I created a more strong and clean version here. And also, we can build him a fantastic website, just like we did for our another client. And I shared him some of our example client reports, okay? And within few minutes, the guy replied me this, okay? So this. So it's all about tracking and not wasting all your time with just cold prospects, okay? So if you prospecting a lot with the people that you don't have idea who they are, okay? I see most of the people prospecting, like, if they are in your industry, doesn't mean you have to prospect with all of them. You need a system, you need a strategy, you need something to track some specific contacts, okay? And you maintain that one, and you have to interact with them regularly with consistency. Then when you feel it's warm, when they are interacting with you, then you show them what you can do for them. This is the simple and the most practical strategy to make someone interested in your service, okay? So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. And I will also make a few more videos on this topic, okay? So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.